Hello and welcome to your dashboard as a cashier. Today I'm going to show you exactly what actions you can do using our dashboard. First, this is our dashboard. You have today's Tuesday, September 30th, 2025. You can see other dates as well, and you can also select a date to see the ferries. So as you can see, we don't have any schedule on October, but let's go back for today. You can see the ferries that are going today, the ferries that are canceled, that are scheduled, and then the ferries that are confirmed, which are going to be green after they already depart. You will be able to see how many passengers on the ferries, vehicles, and the details of that specific ferry. And if the ferry is scheduled, you can add manual booking as well. You can add here or on the specific ferry here. So let's see first the details. For the details, you'll see the status. This one is canceled, the passengers, vehicles, and revenue. Let me show you another one that's scheduled so you can actually see. In this one, we have one single passenger, and you can see what type of passenger they are and what type of and their ticket code. This is very handy in case, let's say you were at the office and someone comes and asks for a refund. If it's for a trip today and they're eligible for that refund, you'll be able to see their details here on the ferry and get their ticket code if they don't already have it. And you'll be able to use that on the refund panel that I'll show you later. And in the case that someone wants to buy a ticket for this specific ferry, you can add manual booking. So one adult, let's say, I'll put one each, one adult, one senior, and one child. We'll continue, and we have to choose if they're traveling by foot passenger or if they have a vehicle. If they have a vehicle, selecting this will pre-select these options, which are gonna be the ones responsible for the deck handler to see how big the vehicles are and how much space we have on the ferry itself. So standard full size for the height and standard and full size for the length. And after that we'll select the time. We're in the third step. On this side you can see exactly where it's coming from, where it's going, how many passengers we have. We have one vehicle and adult ticket. We can select the time, one way, and it's also pre-selected for the ferry you selected on the dashboard. Remember that I clicked add manual booking. This will pre-select if we have more than multiple ferries on that date. It's already gonna pre-select the one I have and the one I want. I'll just complete booking. Customer is paying by cash or card. I'll have to select that, put the customer information. Yeah, paying with cash. Paying by card, you are gonna be taken to a screen where you will just be required to handle the card machine to the customer, or you can also put their credit card details, the number, the month, and the CVV. And paying with cash, you'll be able to see this screen where you have to say how much the customer is giving you, how amount received. So let's say they gave you $100, and you'll be able to see the change you have to give them, so you don't have to make the math. Although most cases the math is pretty simple, but we are here to help you out and then put in the system how much cash was changed between parties. And yeah, that's it. If we press continue, you'll be able to select ticket numbers, which is basically if you have tickets already printed on your office, you will be able to see their numbers. Let's say you have from 324 onward, and when you see the numbers, so that those are the tickets you're gonna give to the customer. When you see the numbers, you can actually just type the numbers that you have on your physical tickets to the digital ones. So let's say we have 55412. That's what you have on your physical ticket, for instance. And you can put here, so it matches the physical ticket matches the digital one. And yeah, otherwise, if you don't have physical tickets and you're gonna print new, you can just use digital ticket numbers. In this example, let's say that I have my physical tickets and I'm gonna give to the customer. That's why I put here on all of the tickets that are gonna be available. And I'm gonna confirm and get the tickets. That's the last step. That's gonna be the customer's already paid. You're gonna give them to the tickets, and they're gonna get an email with all this information as well, because you captured their email in a previous step. And yeah, otherwise, if you don't have the actual physical tickets, in this step you can print each ticket individually or in bulk as well. So this is the entire payment flow for you. So that's it for the dashboard. I show you how to do manual booking, how to change the dates, how to view the details on the passengers, and create buy tickets for a specific ferry. Just a quick tip: if you are not selling for your own date, let's say we're not selling for today, you can either go to other days and choose ferries to sell, or you can go here at manual booking and then do the same thing as before and try to find the dates here on this screen. Instead of doing on the dashboard, you can also select here. You have both options. And thank you very much. Any questions, let us know.